How to add cinematic black bars in Capcut PC. So if you want to add cinematic black bars in your Capcut PC, then you can simply go with Create Project and go with Import and select the video, go with Open. And once you've opened, now here you will have your video. You just need to simply drag that to the bottom, and after that select the video. Once you've selected, on the upper right you will have an option of mask. Simply go with mask and then go with a mask. For example, I'll be choosing horizontal mask and add that, or just go with mirror. Once you go with mirror, now here you will have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is just enlarge your mask. Once you've enlarged, you need to go with the first part and then add a keyframe. Once you've added the keyframe, you need to resize that and go with the second part and again add a keyframe and go with the third part and again resize it and go with other keyframe, and then go with the fourth part and again resize it, add a keyframe and again do the same procedure, go with the last part and just end it. Now if you play, then you'll have this kind of interface. That's how you can add cinematic black bars in your Capcut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.